Today we have a 2008 Audi A3 stereo in the shop. This was sent in because the customer's complaint was that the radio would not accept the code. We did power this up. We've had this on the bench for several hours now. We have the luxury of putting this on the bench and setting it to the side so we don't have to watch the radio, because usually if it gets locked up it takes some time in order for it to unlock itself. But we originally had the radio on the bench. It came up code safe with the number 2 under it, and it sat in that mode for about an hour, hour and a half before returned to the code mode and ready to accept the code. The code on this specific radio is 0727, and in order to get the code into the radio we're going to use the top button on the left here, the first digit being a 0, which we're already past, so we're going to continue to press this till it counts up to 9 and back to 0. We're going to use the second button down for the second digit in the code, which is a 7, so we're going to push this 7 times to give us the second digit of the code. We're going to move over to the right side of the car stereo to the top button for the third digit, which is a 2, and go down 1 button as well. The last digit on this radio code is a 7. Again, we had to sit several hours on the bench in order for it to get up into the code mode because the wrong code had been entered. But now we have the enter button here. We're going to push, and this will turn the radio on. If you have any problems with codes not accepting it, it's always best to check with the dealership to make sure you have the correct code. Sometimes it is in the vehicle itself. Make sure you have the original stereo. Changing the stereo changes the code. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.